Ho ho ho! Another video from Santa Eddie. This is the final on the old Coca-Cola charger. Didn't cut out too bad. And just think, this build was ice cold. Ha ha ha! Hey, have a Coke and a smile. Not much to it. Pretty much just a snap together kit that you just paint the bottom. Kit builds very, very nice. Decals are exquisite. It's just a, very expensive snap kit. Heavy, it's very heavy. I put the CB, which you can't see down there, so that's why I put the antennae on it. I was going to put the push guard on it, but I had it on one of my sticks for painting, and it took off like a rocket, and the carpet monster ate it. I have no idea where that went. I'll find it one day. But again, guys, this is my final on the Coca-Cola charger. Big Eddie. Wishing everyone out there a very, very prosperous 2020. This is Christmas Day, and we are signing off. Peace!